In front of me is Motorola Moto E6S, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options on this Motorola. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then click on System. Now you need to select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, just tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. In order to manage them, just tap on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!